When I'm making wet on wet cookies, I flood my cookies a little bit differently. I start out the same way by re-outlining my cookie in my flood consistency, and then instead of filling in all the gaps and working my way towards the middle, I actually leave a space in between the first pass and my second pass as I work my way towards the middle. And then I use my scribe tool or my piping bag to spread the icing around to reach the edges. And this way, when I add more icing on top for the wet on wet design, I'm less likely to get overflow. And overflow is just what happens when the icing goes over the edge of your cookies, and this is much more likely to happen when you are making wet on wet cookie designs.